Welcome to this exploration of inspiration and creativity in the world of natural perfumery. Today we'll journey through the art, science and magic that transforms ideas into aromatic masterpieces. Let's dive into what fuels our creativity and how we can harness it to craft something extraordinary. Inspiration is that magical spark, the very first step in any creative process. It motivates us to learn, explore, and bring our ideas to life. For creative minds, inspiration is like a compass, guiding us from thought to tangible creation. Did you know that inspiration has a biological basis? It activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine. This creates a sense of euphoria and focus, propelling us into a state of creative flow, a place where time feels suspended and ideas come alive. For many, creativity is deeply tied to unique ways of thinking. Neurodivergent individuals, for example, often experience heightened bursts of passion and hyperfocus. This allows them to immerse completely in their craft, making inspiration a powerful tool for innovation. Our senses play a critical role in fueling creativity. For natural perfumers, the world of scents, botanicals, resins, and oils forms the very foundation of their craft. These sensory experiences become the building blocks of fragrant masterpieces. Perfumery is where art and science converge, especially in natural perfumery. The process is intentional and meditative. It's a delicate balance of imagination and precision, transforming raw materials into sensory poetry. Ethics are at the very heart of natural perfumery. Today's consumers are seeking products that respect the environment. Natural perfumery answers this call with sustainable practices, creating fragrances that honor both nature and the soul. Perfumery is timeless because it tells stories. Through scent, we can evoke memories, capture emotions, and weave narratives. Each fragrance becomes a deeply personal expression, bridging art and human connection. Perfumery encourages a state of flow, a meditative rhythm where focus and creativity align. Like meditation, this process allows perfumers to fully engage with their craft, finding joy and fulfillment in the act of creation. While cooking and perfumery share similarities, they fulfill different needs. Cooking nourishes the body, transforming ingredients into sustenance. Perfumery, on the other hand, nourishes the spirit, elevating raw materials into artful aromas. Natural perfumery is thriving. With the growing demand for ethical, sustainable products, it offers authenticity and artistry. This connection to nature resonates deeply with today's conscious consumers. Fragrance is a universal language. It transcends borders, cultures, and time, connecting us to history and nature. Through natural perfumery, we create connections that inspire and endure. Inspiration is a powerful driver of learning. In natural perfumery, curiosity and passion push us through challenges. It's this desire to master new techniques that makes the learning process both rewarding and fulfilling. Natural perfumery champions sustainability and responsibility. From sourcing botanicals to crafting products, Ethical practices ensure that this art form aligns with values of care and respect for the environment. At the Natural Perfume Academy, we embrace the philosophy of learn, create, inspire. Our courses are hands-on and guided by experts, fostering a supportive community. Together, we create, connect, and celebrate the art of perfumery. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of natural perfumery. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just beginning, let inspiration guide you. There's a world of creativity waiting. Step into it and let your imagination soar.